I'll show you how to build this mallet in less than 2 minutes from this small pile of offcuts. Glue up 6 2x1 offcuts in pairs. Clamp and leave to dry. Cut two 12-inch 2x1s and a longer 15.5-inch one. Glue up and set in clamps to dry. Cut one of the 2x1 assemblies right in half. Assemble all the glue ups to sandwich a 2x1 in the middle. Open a small wedge on the top side. Clamp up and leave to dry. Rip slices into the handle tip to wedge into the head. Sand the top and bottom of the head flat. Shape the handle on the sander. Set your miter saw to 3 degrees and cut the head to length. Cut 4 shims from a piece of 2x1. Glue and insert the handle into the head. Insert the shims from the top. Tap the shims in with a hammer. Route the edge with a chamfer bit. Sand smooth to 320 grit. Finish with butcher block oil. All done. Subscribe for more builds.